Hey Desirable Beauties, I know it has been a little minute. Thank you guys for joining me on another video. If you are new to my channel, hey, thanks for stopping by. If you are a returning viewer or returning subby, hey, nice to see you again. So as you can see, I'm not gonna do a long intro. As you can see by today's video, we are gonna be doing an Amazon mini haul. And when I say mini, I mean like heavy on the mini, okay? Because we just moved into our own place here in North Carolina.
Never gonna let any outfit the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat up, red like a speeder. Taking
about a month ago, we moved to our own place, and so I've been trying to get out of that mindset where I have to get everything at one time. So I'm getting everything little by little because, you know, we're a little bit of inflation right now. So, and I kind of support myself, so I can't just be spending my money on, you know, just any and everything right now, you know. If you want to see what are some things that I got from Amazon to kind of give my home just a little bit of a luxury feel, please stay tuned. I also have a part 2 of this video where I show you a DIY video of how I did this black splash. I know it didn't come like that. I know you thought it probably came like this. I know you thought my apartment came like this. I promise you it did. Definitely make sure you click on that video as well. And let's go ahead and get right to it. But if you did not hit that subscribe button already, go ahead and hit it. It costs you nothing. And let's go ahead and jump into the video, y'all. So one of the first things that I got from Amazon, because your girl people say that I can be a little bougie, but I don't think I'm really, I just like quality things on a budget, sometimes heavy on the budget. I got this really neat, I guess they call it a mill grinder, but you can put any type of seasonings that need grinding in here. You put it through these things here, and I'll show you footage of that in the video. It does also come with a charger, and it has a really cool super light, so when you're doing the seasoning, like it has a light attached to it. I think that's really cool, but to be honest, I'm like, maybe if it's dark and you try to, I don't know. But yeah, I thought this was really cool. It comes with a charger, and this thing is the charger. This is actually the charger stand, and then you just plug it up. Only thing about this is, y'all, it came with the cord, but it didn't come with the wall piece. So I was like, that's one thing I didn't like. But I mean, who don't really have wall pieces? Extra wall pieces around their house for real. So luckily I had some. So another really cool item that I did get from Amazon was I got a box of these jars because I'm a coffee lover. Got these jars, which I think are so cute, and you see they come with a spoon, and then it has like a little handle that you can put the spoon in on the side, but really cute. It didn't come with any labels, but the next one of the items I'm going to show you had extra labels, so I'm just going to smack them onto this. But I think this is really cute for my coffee bar area. So like when I put my coffee beans, my sugar, the coffee itself, if I want to put that in here, like the grinded up what is it called? The ground coffee in. So I thought this was super cute. I thought it was like very aesthetically pleasing. Has these little bamboo lid tops, really nicely sealed on here. So I think these were really cute. I got a pack of 3 because I'm going to put sugar in one, coffee beans in one, and then I have a coffee jar already, but I also have like other coffees that I drink time to time, so I'm gonna put like my Starbucks ground coffee in one of these as well, because I'm really big on like organization. So the next item that I did get was this pack of 4 drawer dividers, and as you can see, they are adjustable. I did undo 2 for you to show you, but they come originally like this, and then you can, like I said, adjust it to your drawer length or whatever. So as you can see, what I put them to use, like I said, I am a coffee lover, so I wanted to have a whole coffee bar. So I thought this was really cool to keep my little coffee bar aesthetically pleasing, but not only aesthetically pleasing, organized. So I feel like it's convenient, you know? One of the next things that I also got from Amazon was, open the package up, so let's do a little bit of an ASMR real quick, okay? I've never done an ASMR, so I always want to do one, so let's do it. So I got the set of, I don't really know what kind of flowers these are called, but they're fake, of course, duh. I got these are gonna go in my guest bathroom, and you'll see also in the footage how I use them for my guest bathroom. I thought these are really cool just to make the bathroom very just pretty and just guesty and just, I don't know, guesty. So yeah, I thought these were cool. So one of the other things that I also got from Amazon, can't wait to show you, these vinyls. This is a peel and stick 3D wall tiles. I thought these are so cute because I feel like it's really going to add that, like, as you saw in the intro of my video, it adds like that really upgraded type of effect to the kitchen. Because I mean, it looks kind of plain. Let's be real, it looks plain. And again, like I said, I like to live a little bit luxurious, so I wanted to really upgrade the kitchen a little bit here. So I did get these. I'm not gonna lie, they are a bit pricey. I don't even think I needed all of these, but I'm the type where I'd rather have more than not have enough. So I got 3 packs of these. It comes 10 in a pack, but honestly, when I measured out everything, I literally only need like a pack and maybe a half. That's literally it. I didn't need all of these. So I actually might return some of these because I really don't see what I will use for this other pack. But yeah, really cool. So okay, so another thing that I got that I was so excited about getting, y'all, I got a box of these jars, these spice jars. So as you can see, they're about the size of my hand a little bit. But I got 35 packs of these to organize my spices in my drawer because I literally hate going to my pantry and having to move everything because everything get knocked over trying to find a particular seasoning. So I did get the jars. They do come with these labels here, which I think are cute. Not only does it come with these labels, it comes with, so we have a store here called Black Friday Deals, right? What's so funny with this store is I saw these jars and someone was giving away these and the jars, but I was like, at the time I was like, oh, these jars might be a little too big for my drawer, so I didn't get them. I would have only had paid $4 for a whole set plus these stickers. So instead I was like, I'll just buy the stickers, and I think I paid like 50 cents to $1 for these stickers. And I didn't get the jars, but honestly, if those jars are still there today, I'm going back to get the extra jars because I mean, that's cheap. But yeah, so I got these particular ones though off Amazon. It also comes with a funnel, so you don't have to worry about like making a mess when you're pouring in your seasoning. So I thought that was really neat. And then it also comes with blank, I think, let me see, yes. So kind of like how you see on this one, it's blank ones. It comes with that as well. And then it comes with like a marker so you can kind of like write in your own seasoning or whatever. And then it also came with these dividers. So I'm gonna put in the drawer. Everything is linked, so you'll see exactly the amount that I got. But these fit my drawer very well because the beautiful thing is that you can, like, one of these will be too small, like it'd be too, I would still have a lot of room left in my drawer. So when you combine the two, you can kind of like adjust it to how wide your drawer is. So I think that's really cool. So yeah, that was my Amazon haul. I definitely thank you guys for coming to watch this. Like I said, it was heavy on the mini Amazon haul, but of course, as I get more things from Amazon, I'll definitely, you know, do more hauls or whatever now that I have my own place.
I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he's sent for me.
So definitely stay tuned for more videos and just how I upgrade my apartment, but on a budget, because I don't want to overspend, because I don't plan on staying here forever. So I don't want to spend like a heck of amount of money, you know what I'm saying, for something I'm not going to be in forever. So, but by the time I'm here, I'm definitely going to make it look as luxurious as I possibly can on a budget though. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me yet again for another video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you still did not subscribe to my channel, I mean, come on, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, there is another video to show you how I put up the peel and stick vinyl blacks, peel and stick blacks, ooh, how I put up the peel and stick backsplash on my kitchen here. So definitely stay tuned for that video. And once again, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.